How to fix permission denied to user in Git. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that if you're facing the error of permission denied to this specific user in Git, so how you can fix that. So let's get started. So you can see that I have this over here, this specific repository, and I also have that repository in my GitHub account. But when I'm trying to push that, it is giving me this error that says permission to this specific account has been denied. So the reason is that you are signed in your Windows using another credentials, and the GitHub in which the repository you are using right now has some other credentials. So you can see that here I have this credential that is Emma, and here in my Windows I have been signed into this credential that is called Reshati. So what you can do is simply go to the search bar and then you're going to search for credential manager, press enter, and you'll be redirected to a window like this. So you're going to click on Windows credentials over here, scroll down till you find the option of GitHub, and then you'll be able to see this option of remove. You can see the username is Rashati. So you're going to click on remove and then click on yes. And now you can see that those credentials have been removed. Next, you gotta go back to your console and you gotta simply type that command down once again. So here you can see that I have typed that command down, and when I press enter, it's gonna redirect me to another authentication page that I have to sign in using the current user's account. So you gotta click on sign in with your browser, and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. Right now it says want to access your this new account, and then you're going to click on authorize Git ecosystem and just wait for the authentication to get successful. Once done, you're going to go back to this over here and you can see now it says branch main setup to track. That means the connection has been successful, and now whichever code you wish to push, you can simply type this command down and you're good to go. So that's basically how you can fix the permission denied error in GitHub. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.